Ultimate Winter Car. Prep Guide. 7 must-have items for safe and warm driving. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Over the Hill Yackers! Today, we're going to dive into a crucial topic for all you winter road warriors out there. The essential items to keep in your car during winter. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to snowy conditions, this guide is for you. So let's get started. Winter driving can be unpredictable, but being prepared can make all the difference. Let's go through our top picks for winter essentials to keep in your car. Item 1. Emergency kit. First up, an emergency kit. This should include a first aid kit, a flashlight with extra batteries, a whistle to attract attention, and some basic tools. Trust me, these can be lifesavers in unexpected situations. Item 2. Winter clothing and blankets. Next, always pack extra winter clothing and blankets. If you get stranded, staying warm is crucial. Think thermal layers, gloves, hats, and a heavy blanket. Item 3. Ice scraper and snow brush. An ice scraper and snow brush are must-haves. Clearing your car of ice and snow not only ensures your safety, but is also the law in many places. Item 4. Road salt or cat litter. If you get stuck, road salt, sand, or even cat litter can provide the necessary traction to get moving again. Item 5. Jumper cables. Jumper cables. Cold weather can be tough on batteries, so having these can be a real day saver for you or a fellow driver in need. Item 6. Snacks and water. Don't forget about snacks and water. If you're stranded for a while, these will be invaluable. Item 7. Windshield washer fluid. Always keep extra windshield washer fluid. Winter conditions can dirty your windshield quickly, reducing visibility. So there you have it, folks. Keeping these essentials in your car during winter can greatly improve your safety and comfort. Remember, it's always better to be over-prepared than under-prepared. Until next time, stay safe and warm out there. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Over the Hill Yackers for more tips and tricks. Happy winter driving!